Hey, Mr. P.
Mr. P. My name Jay.
Mr. P.
I didn't even peep I was wearing this. I'm fried. What's up with you though? What you want?
I'm just drinking my little drink and just chilling.
What is that? I'd never seen that before.
It's a healthy drink
Healthy. Okay,
to
I
stay
see.
hydrated.
Your healthy stages of life. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. How old is you?
I am 19 years old.
Okay. I see you from Houston. You really from there?
Yeah,
It's fun down there? I'm trying to go.
hell yeah.
It is. So I can slide on you type shit?
Yeah, anytime.
Y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
What's the moves? What we gonna do?
You.
I hope so.
Okay. Hey, you better say that word.
What?
That laugh. Gotta go. But add me on
Sorry.
here. Send me an Instagram or whatever. I'ma follow you.
What?
Send me an Instagram on here. I'ma follow you.
Okay.
There's not even anything left in that bottle. What are you drinking? You.
No.
Oh. What the fuck you mean though? Talking if cute. I'm ugly.
Yeah.
You.
Ain't you on YouTube?
Bro, what the fuck what did you just say?
No. Say no, yeah. You don't know my name? That's crazy. You see me before?
Hey,
What did I just see? What did I just see?
Please stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
What the fuck? You.
Nope.
Why are you so close? Say no, you can stay right there. You can stay right there. How old is you?
18.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Okay, good. Cause y'all niggas be lying on here. I can't trust y'all type shit. But why you looking at me like that? You staring into my soul and shit. What the
My fault. I'll look away. Keep talking.
Where are you from?
New York.
New York?
I don't say there, but yes.
So where do you stay? Fuck, where you from? I wanna know where you stay.
The DMV.
Oh, so you didn't move that far. So you close to me still. I'm from Philly, so like you still like in my little proximity. Ooh, what the fuck? You mean?
Y'all is not
I know
shit.
you're not from Baltimore.
I'm not.
Maryland? Virginia?
Mm.
The fuck is it, Virginia?
Get off
No,
there.
that's Virginia. Fuck are you talking about? But what you hear about us? What make you like? You mean?
My brother dated a girl from there, and she sent my brother a sex tape of her and her stepbrother.
You what?
Was she white?
No, actually.
Okay, that's just she must not been from here, so don't even use that as an example. She must have moved here from like Alaska or something. Cause that's don't do that. But
Okay.
I'm a different. I'm a normal civilian type shit. Okay.
Normal civilian. All right.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about me sending you any of that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So what do you do in your free time if you don't use?
Read, sports, work.
Read.
You don't like
You
read?
read? I used to
You
love
don't like
reading,
reading.
but school messed that up. Like I used to read on my free time, but then when I'm forced to do something, I don't want to do it no more. You know what I'm saying?
Then that's you. I like reading.
Okay, nerd.
Okay.
So you know, I like studious people. You seem like a studious person. I like those type of people. You know what I'm saying? You got a good head on your shoulders. I like that for you.
You got a steady smile, by the way.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I like your little eyebrows or whatever, your little nose ring. I see you, girl. I see you trying to stun on us out here, man. I see you. Okay.
Hey, Peter Parker.
What's good with you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Philly. Where you from?
Why?
What's up?
That's why you laugh like something funny.
What did I laugh?
You mad handsome. You got a nice smile. Let me kiss you. And I'm from New York.
Oh, you don't got a New York accent. You just moved there?
You said what?
I said you don't got a New York accent. You just moved there?
No. I don't.
You probably from Rhode Island. Fuck out of here.
I don't. Yo, niggas said Rhode Island. Fuck out of here.
What you high, son? I think you need to drink some water and get yourself together. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry. Nah, I need to stop drinking.
I think you need to see a therapist as well. Just see somebody to help you better your life. Right now, this just don't seem good. Okay, Mariah Carey.
Thank you. I get that compliment all the time.
No, the fuck you don't. Stop lying. Why are you making that face?
Because actually, sometimes I get Beyonce.
So we're delusional today, I see.
No, you want me to sing another song?
Yeah, go ahead.
This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hello? I can't hear y'all. It's muted. Huh? Say it slower. Say it slower. Me? I'm cute? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Shut your
Huh? What's my Instagram? You better type it in right now. That was way too many mouth movements. I didn't understand a single word you just said. Yo. Damn, it's like that, gangy. Yep.
You skipped me.
I did. I was probably in the spree of like skipping people, and you just happened to be in the middle of that. It probably wasn't you. You know what I'm saying? Because usually when I'm mad, I just keep pressing it until I'm calmed down type shit. And now I'm calm. You know what I'm saying? So if I seen you first, like if you was the first person, I wouldn't have skipped you type shit. Because you look good. I'm going to keep it a
Thank you. You look good too.
Appreciate it. How old is you?
18.
Are you telling the truth?
Yeah. How old are you?
Why are you looking at me like that? I'm 20. He said. But shit, where you from?
Detroit, but I live in Houston.
Houston. Oh, I'm from Houston.
True? You still stay in Houston?
My ass off. Never been there in my entire life.
Oh my god.
Is you gonna be the reason I come there? Like.
I mean, yeah, that's why I asked you.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna slide there. I'm gonna pull up on you.
Cap.
Why I say your name Peter Parker? You're not Spider-Man.
How you gonna tell me who I am?
You Spider-Man?
Yeah, that's what they call me because of the tricks I do.
What do you mean by that?
What kind of tricks? I mean, nah.
You can find that out later. It's a 2-person trick, so you won't have to find out sooner or later.
A 2-person trick. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is that interesting? Like, are you engaged with that?
Are you on live or something?
No.
You lying?
I might be recording.
Recording what? You do YouTube?
Yeah, I do YouTube. As a matter of fact, I do OnlyFans. My fault.
You do OnlyFans? Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
You trying to be in a video?
Where do you stay?
I live in Philly.
Oh damn.
But like I said, I'll come to Houston. You know what I'm saying? Houston sounds like a fun city, so I'm gonna go there anyway, type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll be there, I'll be with you on the way. Before I leave.
You just trying to spit game because you doing a YouTube video. What you?
You wasn't even worried about that. You wasn't even worried about all that. Before I
Because
told you.
as soon as I got on here, I knew you was recording something because I could just tell
How can you tell?
by the mic.
Nigga, I use this shit for the game. I just happen to use it for talking to people too.
Right.
How else would you hear me?
And you keep looking over, so.
Well, first, me looking right here is me looking at myself on the app because I have like a webcam. So now I'm looking at you. This is me looking at me. This is me looking at you. This is me looking at me. Type shit.
But you still like looking over a little bit more.
I can't look over. I can't look at my surroundings.
Why do you gotta look around your surroundings when you in your room?
Because it might be some ghosts in here and shit. I gotta stay 10 toes. Type shit.
Shut your lame ass up, man.
What's your Instagram?
You better add me right now.
Yeah.
Sensational.
Yeah.
I like your
Some
voice.
nigga just came, like he had a camera set up and everything, and he just ran into the camera butt ass naked.
Huh?
Yeah, I didn't need to know that information. That's crazy. But what's up with y'all?
I don't know, but you fine.
Appreciate you. How old is you?
18.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Okay, good. Where y'all
How
from?
old are you?
I'm 20.
That's perfect.
Where
you
y'all from? Why you copying me?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. I'm from Philly. You not that far. Type shit. What y'all do down there?
Not shit.
You don't be outside?
Hell no. Okay, so what's the snap though?
Snap. I don't use Snap. I got Instagram.
Okay, what's the Instagram?
Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
I just want it all right now. I just want a ball right now. Swear I want everything, everything. I just want everything, everything. I just want it all right now. I just want a ball right now. Swear I want everything.